Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can use outfit codes in Roblox. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for roblox.com. Now make sure to log in using your account. Now go to the Marketplace tab present at the top of the screen and choose the clothing item you want. In the top search bar, you can see that there is an ID written inside it. This ID is called the outfit code. In order to use these codes, simply delete half of the URL and paste the item outfit code. You can see that the code is now completed automatically. And that's how you can use outfit codes in Roblox. Hope you like the video. Thanks!